Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pinning videos on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open TikTok and tap on your profile icon. Open the video that you would like to pin to the top of your profile. Tap the three dots button from the right side of the video. Then select Pin from the options. When you go back to your profile, you can see that that video is now pinned to the top of your profile. You can pin multiple videos to the top of your profile. Just follow the same steps as before to pin another video. If you would like to unpin a video, then open up the video and tap on the three dots button on the right side of the video. Then select Unpin from the options. That video will now be unpinned. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.